We are on our way to Pueblo to see an awesome client of ours, Joshua Samuelson. He's a veteran. He closed in December.
And when I started talking about how much I could afford, because I am disabled and I am working off of fixed income, everyone blew me off. And then I actually talked to Chris Maxwell first, who is a guy that I served with in the Army, who happens to work with AWI. He hooked me up with Melanie, Henn, who works out of Colorado, and from the get-go, everything was walked through step by step. There was not a single flinch at the low amount of money I wanted to borrow to buy a house in the first place. So everything was made to fit around what I wanted to, and through all of that, the whole entire process was made super easy.
I got a call a couple weeks ago saying that he has been showering in the gym for over a month and a half because the water that the prior owner had put in, or the plumbing was put in illegally.
I started having all these plumbing issues to the point where if I did my laundry, I couldn't shower for about 5 days in my own shower. I had to use my gym shower for most of the time. I couldn't wash dishes in my sink.
So I put out an email to our wonderful Louise Thaxton with our AWI department, and within 2 days, Louise worked her magic and she raised $2,000 for Josh.
I called 27 different vet organizations as well. In 27 organizations, not a single person would help me out. And I called Melanie, and all of a sudden, a day later, she called me up on the phone and put me into tears, let me know that my plumbing was gonna get fixed. I spoke with Trey. Trey came out here, Trey had someone come out here, and they fixed my plumbing within an afternoon. And it has been the biggest relief off of my shoulders since the whole thing began. I mean, it's made my world amazing again. So, and I have everything at Fairway and Melanie and Nicholas, who was there with me the whole time. And let's not forget the cameraman, okay? Because he was doing a lot of the legwork when we were going back and forth. We living out of state and helping me along with all this stuff. To Jenna and Trey for helping me. It's been amazing. So I'm very grateful, and I couldn't be more grateful about a group of people in my entire life.